Hi, to fix notification problem on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active, as a first step we need to find and open Mi Fitness app on the phone. So here make sure that the watch is connected to the app, and after that go in this tab Notifications and Calls. Select App Notifications, and as a first step make sure that they are enabled here. After that, I suggest you to disable this feature receive only when phone is locked because it is more comfortable that way. And now you can enable this wake screen, so the screen of your watch will wake up when you receive new notification. And I suggest you to disable this notify only when worn because just if you remove your watch, you won't be able to receive any type of notifications. And you can enable this feature mirror phone notifications and customize notifications. So if the problem still exists, so you still don't receive notifications, then you would need to go in the settings on your phone. Here find the apps tab, go in your apps and find Mi Fitness. Let's just search for the Mi Fitness and here it is. Now we need to make sure that notifications are allowed here, and after that go in the permissions and make sure that notifications are allowed here as well. For example, SMS in my case are denied, so let's allow access. And now it appeared in this allowed list. So, if the problem still exists, then also make sure that modes such as do not disturb, airplane and focus are disabled, because if they are enabled, it will disable all of your notifications. And you can try to reset your watch and your phone, of course. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.